The A Ma Maniére X Air Jordan 6 returns in 2025, marrying basketball heritage with streetwear sophistication. Dressed in muted taupe nubuck, its refined build is contrasted by a dark heel tab and midsole, while quilted interiors and tonal laces elevate the luxury feel. Perforated panels nod to performance roots, and a black and white midsole with visible air cushioning sits atop a milky translucent outsole for balanced style and traction. Collaboration branding graces the insoles, with thoughtful touches like a lace doggle and heel spoiler adding personality. Staying true to A Ma Maniere's understated opulence, this AJ6 offers a modern yet timeless interpretation of the classic silhouette. First look images from Shark X1 showcase its allure ahead of the Friday, December 5 launch, a drop poised to captivate both sneaker collectors and style enthusiasts seeking the perfect blend of sport and elegance.